You already know 100 sentences. Let's learn 100 more to sound natural and confident in English. Method. Method. What is the most effective method for learning new vocabulary? Narrow. Narrow. The car was too wide to go through the narrow street. Observe. Observe. Scientists observe the behavior of animals in the wild. Pressure. Pressure. Some students feel a lot of pressure during exam week. Quiet. Quiet. It is very quiet in the library, which helps me focus. Rare. Rare. It is very rare to see a snowstorm in this part of the country. Satisfied. Satisfied. I am very satisfied with the results of my English test. Tough. Tough. The marathon was tough, but I managed to finish it. Urgent. Urgent. I need to send an urgent email to my boss right now. Visible. Visible. The stars were clearly visible in the sky last night. Warning. Warning. The weather forecast gave a warning about the upcoming storm. Ancient. Ancient. We visited an ancient temple during our trip to Greece. Bitter. Bitter. The coffee tasted very bitter because I didn't add any sugar. Complex. Complex. The plot of the movie was so complex that I didn't understand it. Diverse. Diverse. London is a very diverse city with people from all over the world. Efficient. Efficient. Using a dishwasher is more efficient than washing by hand. Frequent. Frequent. She is a frequent visitor to the local art gallery. Genuine. Genuine. This jacket is made of genuine leather and is very durable. Harsh. Harsh. The animals have to survive the harsh conditions of the winter. Immediate. Immediate. The company needs an immediate answer to their job offer. Try to use these sentences in your own conversations. The best way to remember a sentence is to say it to someone else or write it in an email. Joint. Joint. The two companies decided to start a joint project together. Keen. Keen. My brother is very keen on playing basketball every weekend. Loose. Loose. These pants are a bit loose, so I need to wear a belt. Major. Major. Traffic congestion is a major problem in many big cities. Numerous. Numerous. I have visited numerous museums since I moved to Paris. Objective. Objective. The objective of the game is to score as many points as possible. Particular. Particular. Is there a particular reason why you are late today? Rapid. Rapid. There has been a rapid change in technology over the last decade. Scared. Scared. The little boy was scared of the dark, so he left the light on. Theory. Theory. In theory, the plan sounds great, but we need to test it. Unusual. Unusual. It is very unusual to have such hot weather in October. Various. Various. We offer various courses for students of all levels. Willing. Willing. Are you willing to help me move to my new apartment? Zone. Zone. You are currently standing in a no parking zone. Ability. Ability. She has the ability to speak 4 different languages fluently. Basic. Basic. Before you start cooking, you should learn some basic skills. Capacity. Capacity. The stadium has a seating capacity of 50,000 people. Degree. Degree. He is currently studying for a university degree in engineering. Essential. Essential. Good communication is essential for a successful relationship. Feature. Feature. The most interesting feature of this camera is the night mode. Global. Global. Plastic pollution is a global issue that affects every ocean. Height. Height. The height of the Eiffel Tower is about 300 meters. Internal. Internal. The company is currently making some internal changes. Layer. Layer. You should wear a warm layer under your jacket today. Mental. Mental. Regular meditation can improve your mental health and focus. Recording yourself is a powerful tool. Record yourself saying these sentences, then listen to the recording. You will notice mistakes that you didn't hear while speaking. Native. Native. My teacher is a native speaker of English from Canada. Official. Official. We are still waiting for the official results of the election. Period. Period. The dinosaurs lived on Earth for a very long period of time. Remote. Remote. They live in a remote village far away from any big city. Source. Source. The sun is our primary source of light and energy. Task. Task. Completing this difficult task took me the whole morning. Urban. Urban. Many people prefer the urban lifestyle because of the convenience. Vast. Vast. The Sahara is a vast desert located in North Africa. Waste. Waste. Don't waste your time worrying about things you cannot change. Actual. Actual. The actual cost of the trip was higher than we expected. Balance. Balance. It is important to maintain a balance between work and life. Current. Current. What is your current address and phone number? Direct. Direct. Is there a direct train from London to Edinburgh? Evidence. Evidence. The police are looking for evidence to solve the crime. Formal. Formal. You need to wear a formal suit for the ceremony. General. General. In general, the people in this town are very friendly. Honest. Honest. I want you to give me your honest opinion about my work. Individual. Individual. Each individual student receives a personalized feedback report. Level. Level. My English level is currently intermediate, but I want to reach advanced. Medical. Medical. She decided to go to medical school to become a doctor. Northern. Northern. The northern part of the country is famous for its lakes. Original. Original. This is the original painting, and those are just copies. Personal. Personal. I prefer not to discuss my personal life at the office. Realize. Realize. I didn't realize that the museum was closed on Mondays. Safety. Safety. Please read the safety instructions before using the machine. Watch movies or videos with English subtitles on. When you see a word you recognize from this list, pay attention to how the actor uses it. This reinforces your memory. Terrible. Terrible. The food at that restaurant was terrible, so we didn't finish it. Useful. Useful. Learning how to cook is a very useful skill for everyone. Value. Value. The value of the house has increased significantly this year. Weight. Weight. He is trying to lose some weight by going to the gym. Account. Account. I need to open a new bank account for my salary. Basic. Basic. The basic rules of the game are very easy to follow. Clearly. Clearly. You need to speak clearly so that everyone can understand you. Daily. Daily. Reading the news is part of my daily routine every morning. Expert. Expert. She is an expert in the field of artificial intelligence. Factor. Factor. Price is a very important factor when choosing a new car. Growth. Growth. The company has seen a huge growth in sales this year. Highly. Highly. This book is highly recommended for anyone who loves history. Instead. Instead. I decided to stay home and watch a movie instead of going out. Lack. Lack. The plant died because of a lack of water and sunlight. Mostly. Mostly. The students in this class are mostly from European countries. Normal. Normal. It is normal to feel a little tired after a long flight. Owner. Owner. Are you the owner of this blue car parked outside? Pattern. Pattern. I really like the colorful pattern on your new curtains. Reason. Reason. The main reason I am learning English is for my career. Scene. Scene. The opening scene of the movie was shot in New York. Consistency is key. Studying for 10 minutes every single day is better than studying for 3 hours only once a week. Keep practicing. Toward. Toward. We walked toward the beach to watch the beautiful sunset. Unless. Unless. I won't go to the party unless you come with me. View. View. The view from the top of the hill is absolutely breathtaking. Whole. Whole. I can't believe I ate the whole pizza by myself. Except. Except. Most shops in the city center accept credit card payments. Beyond. Beyond. The beauty of the landscape was beyond my expectations. Completely. Completely. I completely forgot that we had a meeting this afternoon. Different. Different. Every country has different customs and traditional foods. Entirely. Entirely. I am entirely responsible for the mistake in the report. Finally. Finally. After 3 hours of searching, we finally found the keys. Amazing! You now know 200 real English sentences. Next, let's learn how to describe things with adjectives.